Photoshop's adjustment layers enable non-destructive editing that preserves source imagery integrity, yet most teams apply adjustments destructively through direct pixel manipulation. Establish mandatory adjustment layer protocols. Every brightness modification occurs through a curves adjustment layer, color corrections through hue/saturation layers, and contrast enhancement through levels. Stack these adjustments in predetermined order, always levels first, then curves, then hue/saturation. This sequence prevents mathematical conflicts and enables predictable results across different monitor calibrations.